Hello friends, here are the top 5 websites which offers free online courses with a free certificate. If you are searching for such website, then keep watching this video. Guys, back to the time we all know that we have to go to academy or a coaching center to learn something new or to do a course, but at this time we can learn from anywhere in the world. Now let's have a look at the top websites for online courses. Guys, the number one website is Allison. Allison Courses helps you to develop skills that can be applied in the workplace. What are the advantages of learning from Allison? Allison provides a wide variety of courses free of cost, and Allison provides a high quality courses, and courses offered by this platform are helpful, qualitative and practical. What are the disadvantages of learning from Allison? Number one disadvantage is that you have to pay in order to remove it, as this website has so many ads and there is no course description. Number second website is FutureLearn. FutureLearn offers a wide range of courses often delivered in association with big name colleges. What are the advantages of learning from FutureLearn? FutureLearn has a great community of lifelong learners. It offers a student one of the best online learning communities, and all the courses are free of cost. And you can learn from the world top universities. What are the disadvantages of learning from FutureLearn? Number one disadvantage is that you have to score 70% in their assessment in order to get your certificate, and there is no app for FutureLearn. Number third website is Upgrade. Guys, Upgrade offers courses in data science, management, software and technology, law and arts, and many more fields. Now, what are the advantages of learning from Upgrade? Guys, Upgrade offers courses of high quality. You can get a certificate after completion of the courses. What are the disadvantages of learning from Upgrade? The courses require dedication in terms of efforts and time, and there are limited number of courses which are free. Number fourth website, guys, is Google Analytics Academy. Google Analytics Academy is a series of courses provided by Google. What are the advantages of learning from Google Analytics Academy? Number one advantage is that courses are free of cost and you can learn from the world top experts, and you can earn a free verified certificate after completion of the course. What are the disadvantages of learning from Google Analytics Academy? Courses are not interactive and courses are not explained in much depth. Number fifth website is Sailor Academy. Sailor Academy, they are created by expert educators. What are the advantages of learning from Sailor Academy? Number one advantage is that Sailor Academy offers courses free of cost and you can adjust the time of class according to your choice, and it offers high quality courses. What are the disadvantages of learning from Sailor Academy? So number one disadvantage is that courses are so time taking. Thank you guys, hope you all like this video.